Welcome back to the channel. I'm Billy D, and this is, of course, Done Different. And today, we're going to be cleaning my pool with a new vacuum system that I got. Now, you guys know I usually use the pump and a vacuum head. This year, I got I'll just show it to you. It's one of these kind that uses a garden hose that comes down in and creates a vacuum to pull stuff up from the bottom. I've used these in the past on smaller pools and they work great. The only downside is that you gotta have a water hose attached to it, so it's gonna be filling the pool. I'm super low on water right now, so that's okay for me. I think you could probably buy an attachment to hook it to the output on the pump and still use the pump pressure to be able to power it, but I'm not gonna do that. So let's go ahead, get this assembled and start using it. See how well it works on a bigger pool with a bunch of debris in it. Yeah, this definitely is not going to be long enough. Maybe I can figure a way to hook this to my longer pole. Yeah, let's try that. Sweet. Now that will work. Oh no! Well, the bag came off. Probably should have taken the hose off first. Great. All that work, and now it's right back where it was in the pool. Well, crap. Well, it wasn't all for naught. Still got a ton, even with the bag coming off. Ah! Bag back on here. Okay, that's not working. Again, I should probably just undo the hose, but that would be too easy. Alright, well, it's on there. Who knows how well. Let's go ahead and do a little bit more cleaning with it. Well, that's it. We've got a whole bottom of the pool vacuums. There is definitely some stir up. It has made it a lot more cloudy than it was, but that'll settle. We'll clean it again here in the future. But for now, it's as clean as it's gonna get. So we're gonna leave this vacuum because I want to continue adding water. We're supposed to get rain, but only like an inch or two. I need 4 or 5 inches to bring this up. So that I can continue to run and backwash my filter. So I'm going to leave this in here and I'm going to call this good. We will check back here later today or tomorrow and see if everything is settled and see how clear it is. I let the vacuum and the hose run in the pool for about an hour afterwards. Got my levels nice and high, but not so high that it can't handle some more from the rain. And as you can tell, everything is super cloudy, but not nearly as much stuff on the bottom. Still quite a bit, which we'll get to over the next few cleanings, but way better than it was. Pump is running fairly high, so we're gonna go ahead and backwash and then throw some shock in there to kill everything that we stirred up, all of the algae that might have been forming. Come get your treat, ducks. They love the backwash because it stirs up all the microorganisms and whatnot and the worms. And they drink it some, but mostly you'll see them routing around here in a minute in the dirt, the grass, getting those bugs. So to my understanding, what they do is they get that muddy, silty water and they sift it through this like membrane that they have in their beaks, and all these microorganisms come out of it, and that's how they eat in the wild. Pressure seems to be good and holding. It's the next day. I don't know how many hours, like 20-ish or so since we cleaned it. So most of what you're seeing now, there is still some debris, but most of what you're seeing, like that, all of this down here, that's all sand. And I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I think that's why I might have an issue with the pump. I think that one of the filter ends, it's hard to describe. I'll show you guys in the next video when I take it apart. But I think one of them has either come loose or is broken or something, and it is somehow sucking up sand and sending it into the pool. I think that's what's happening, because we don't have any sand left since we sand leveled this. It's all grown in now. So I really think that it's coming from the pump. Yeah, we'll find that out in the next one. So that's going to be it for this update on the pool. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will see you guys in the next one. Billy D, pulling on out of here. Peace.